Now with these little tabs, you know, they're sticking out, doing nothing. Well, here's what you're supposed to do. Get your other box and put this one in, like that. Make sure you can fold these in like that, so they can fit through these. Now, get these through the other ones so they hold in place. Make sure both of them can get in. Pull them from the other side if you need to, just like that. Or if you boys are making this, just push gently. Now we'll need your other big box. Here's how to put it all together. You're gonna need this little tab to go right here. Right in there. See? Just like that. Now, just like the other one, this goes outside and that tab goes in here. Now, for the top. Make sure you get this tab in this one. Oh, and make sure it goes like this. Like this. And then, you see this tab? You fold it inward like that, and it goes like this. And ta-da, you have it. You just need to get this and try to do this. Inside, can you see it moving? See? This white? That's how you know it's done.